So join me in Arenal, Mallorca at the HSM Golden Playa. Let's go for a little walking tour, check it out. It's not a room review, it's just an overview of the property, what it looks like, and if you're staying here, what you can expect for your money. So just past reception, we've got the bar area where they have your entertainment in the evening. You've got your outdoor pool, which we're going to go and check out in a moment. And the reception is just through there, so I'll walk you through the reception on the way out. Let's just have a quick look what this place looks like during the day when it's nice and quiet. So as you can see, directly got beachfront access here, and you've got some lovely lounges just looking over the sea. Through. Nice and breezy at the moment. It's really hot today, so that breeze is really appreciated. Back to the park, watch your step, and go and have a quick nosy at the reception area. I'll just show you through the glass. It's shut at the moment, but here's your restaurant. There you go. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And that's just a quick overview of the hotel. So if you're thinking of staying here and it was helpful, this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, and thank you for watching.